has come to mow this lawn for the very first time. Spring is in the air, blue skies, sunny, warm. I'm just been tired of being cooped up inside because it's really honestly just been rainy and gloomy for a while now. So I'm gonna get my first mow on. I'm just gonna enjoy it. I'm not gonna be doing any sort of fancy editing or video shots or anything like that, but I did want to record it for you guys. So sit back and enjoy. Alright guys, so today is Tuesday, March 31st, and I mowed the lawn about 2 days ago, this past Sunday, and overall it went really well. I would say going from roughly 4,000 to 5,000 square feet to a 9,000 square foot lawn, it's kind of intimidating, to be completely honest. And what I mean by intimidating is with the size of it being 9,000 square feet, and it's the first time I've ever taken care of a lawn this size, I'm really going to probably have to pick my battles this first year or 2 years on what I'm going to be really picky about, because I'm probably not going to have the time to do everything as nearly specific as I was with that small 4,000 to 5,000 square foot lawn. Now I did do a double cut on the entire lawn, and I bagged the entire thing because this was the first mow, so I wanted to kind of suck up all the debris from the winter and this past fall. Right now it's at 2 inches. I wanted to try to cut it at 2.5, but that would have just kind of scalped things down too much, and I just didn't want to take it down to 2.5 inches. I didn't have the time to do that, so I just kept it at 3 inches. This will probably be the height that I keep the lawn at throughout this entire year, and we'll see. Maybe I'll get the urge to bring it down to 2.5 at some point, but right now it's just going to remain at 3 inches. Now, as I've stated in the past, there's going to be a lot of things I learn about this lawn as I just walk it and mow it and just do various things in here. And one of the things I'm noticing is on this side part of the lawn, the really long strip. This area is like around 4,500 square feet, and it slopes down. So this area right here tends to be a little bit more saturated, as well as part of the lawn right on the other side of the fence in the back side, or the backyard, that tends to be a little bit more saturated, which makes sense because it's going downhill. But the other thing I learned about this section is it's just going to be really cool to kind of stripe and do different patterns, because when the sun hits this west side of the sky when it's setting, the lawn just kind of pops and does some pretty cool things in the evening or afternoon. It's pretty interesting. So this side portion of my lawn that curves and slopes down, this is by far my favorite part of this lawn. The other thing I thought was pretty nice after I mowed it, I thought the color of the lawn was actually really good for not putting any fertilizer down yet this year. All I put down so far is my Aerate and Humic 12, and you know, I think that's going to give the lawn some color response, but nothing like, you know, applying nitrogen or anything like that. But the lawn has not received any nitrogen this year at all. I just think it's looking pretty good. I can definitely tell the previous owners did a great job of taking care of this lawn, which I'm very fortunate and lucky. Hopefully I can just build on that and continue making it look even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a short and sweet one. I knew I didn't really do anything fancy with the filming, with it being the first mow on this new lawn, but I just didn't have the time to do anything like that, because I knew with it being my first mow and I was double cutting and I was bagging, the only thing I really had time was doing as far as filming goes was just the time lapse. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm learning a ton about this lawn, and I hope I can express to you guys and maybe show you guys in each video I do in this new lawn all the new things I'm learning. As always though, please remember, if you do like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. But as always guys, I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's a spot along here that just got a little overgrown, so when I was cutting it off I was definitely cutting into the ground, so it's a little yellow, but that'll come back. Just got to get back on top of that mowing. There's a duck nest in here, so we might have little ducklings walking around here pretty soon. Looks like we got some hydrangeas coming in here, folks. Cool to see the new flowers or plants that are coming up that we didn't know that were there.